Sony has launched the Sony Xperia 8 Lite mid-range phone in Japan. In terms of specs and design, the handset appears to be a variant of the Sony Xperia 10 phone that debuted last year. In other words, it a rebranded Xperia 10 with different cameras on its back. The Sony Xperia 8 Lite measures 158 x 69 x 8.1 mm and it weighs 170 grams. The phone features an LCD triluminous display of 6 inches. The screen offers Full HD Plus resolution and a tall aspect ratio of 21:9. The display is shielded by Gorilla Glass 6. When the right edge of the Xperia 8 Lite is double-tapped, a side sense bar shows up on the screen to give quick access to apps and settings. The thick bezel at the top of the Xperia 8 Lite has an f/2.0 aperture 8-megapixel selfie camera. The LED flash-assisted f/1.8 aperture 12-megapixel plus f/2.4 aperture 8-megapixel dual camera system replaces the 13-megapixel plus 5-megapixel dual camera setup that came with Xperia 10. The dual cameras of the Xperia 8 Lite support AI scene detection and 2x optical zoom. The phone comes with the Snapdragon 630 chipset that debuted in 2017. Moreover, the phone comes loaded with the dated Android 9 Pie OS. The handset offers users with 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage, and 2870 mAh battery. The other features that are found the Xperia 8 Lite are 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, USB-C, 3.5mm audio jack, and a side-facing fingerprint reader. The Sony Xperia 8 Lite has landed in Japan with a pricing of 29,800 Japanese yen $280. Its two color variants are black and white. Sony is yet to reveal any information on the phone availability outside of Japan.